Yo, what up, my G? Yo, your arms look tight. You been holding L's. Heard it? I heard it, bro. Well, I'm gonna do you a favor. I'm gonna let the secrets go. I'm gonna drop these gems today so you ain't gotta hold them L's tomorrow. You feel me? It's your boy Fresco, Technology TV. I got you, homie. Let's get it. What up, my G? This your boy Fresco. Welcome back to Technology TV. And today we running How to Beat the Bots Part 2. All right, how to cop your drop. All right, and I'm gonna share strategies with you that have been working for me to cop my drops. All right, now this is real life strategy. There's no magic to this. It takes a little bit of effort and a lot of perseverance. All right, so just sit back, soak it in, and I promise you, you're gonna be copping more drops than you used to before. Tip number 1. First things first, everybody knows sneakers app. All right, everybody's taking those 10 a.m. L's every week, at least once a week. But what you gotta realize about sneakers is that it's a raffle. It's all a raffle. Speed doesn't even matter. All right, it's a raffle no matter what. So therefore, more entries equal more chances to win. So the first tip we got for y'all is what I call cop groups. Get your friends together, get your girlfriend. You a player, you got 3 girls, get all 3 of them on the sneakers app. All right, your mom, your sister, everybody who's not a sneakerhead, has a credit card and an address to mail to, just get them right on that sneakers app and have them put in bids for you in your size. Another thing about the sneakers app is that, like I said, it's a raffle, and sometimes the raffle for one size ends before the raffle for another size begins. So once you put your bid in the sneaker app, you want to close the app and reopen it constantly, continuously, until it tells you the result of your raffle. Once it tells you the result, if it tells you that your size is sold out, go back in there and look for another size that you can wear, okay? Tip number 2 is knowing your 3 sizes, all right? If you only think you wear one size, you are mistaken, all right? The more sizes that you wear, the more chances you have to cop. Find your 3 sizes and go into the battle with artillery, baby.
This is Sparta!
Tip number 3, all right? Tip number 3 is the hardest of them all, but still not that hard, okay? Requires a little effort, but you know, do you want to cop or do you not? All right, so tip number 3 is to know your local stores. All right, we can't always rely on the big 2, the foot sites, you know, and the JD Finish Lines. We can't always rely on them. So we have to know what our local stores are and support our local stores. Show up, ask them about inventory, ask them about raffles and things like that. Get the information from them and cop. Now, I'm not saying they're gonna backdoor for you. I'm not saying none of that stuff. I'm not saying schmooze on that level. It's a business and you gotta respect it. What I'm saying is know when your release dates are, know when your raffles are, and participate in the raffles at your local stores. Also, check your local stores' websites. The more stores you know about in your area, or even that just ship to you in your country, the better you'll be equipped to cop on release day. All right. For those of us in the US, we need to also get familiar with our Canada stores. Canada does ship here. And as of right now, the dollar difference is not that bad. All right. So if you can find some places in Canada that will ship to the US, then go ahead and monitor those stores as well. Find out when their releases are and go ahead and cop online and get your drop. All right, so what do you do now? You get your friends together, you get your family together, and you start your cop group, all right? You go ahead and get your store list running, start writing them down. Start Googling sneaker store on Google Maps, on Bing Maps, whatever you like to use, and write down all of those stores and catalog all of those websites and check them. See if they carry the products that you like and call them and ask about releases, okay? So that's your boy Fresco, Technology TV, man. Just dropping them gems on you to make sure you can cop, all right? I wanna see a pair in everybody's hand. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Holla at me in the comments. Let me know if this helped you and if you got a cop off of this information, all right? This is probably one of the illest gems I ever dropped on the internet. I wanna see a pair in everybody's hand. And lastly, you wanna go ahead and just jump into that video right there and find your 3 sizes to make sure you'll get that cop on release day, okay? Boy Fresco, Technology TV. Be easy, my G.